Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to talk about the famous Bible translator John Wycliffe. John Wycliffe, born in England around 1324, he was an English scholastic philosopher, theologian, biblical translator, reformer, and seminary professor at the University of Oxford. He considered an important predecessor to Protestantism. Wycliffe also became a priest but used this position to speak out against what he saw as corruption in the Catholic churches. He is called as Morning Star of Reformation. Reformation is a movement started during 15th century. At that time, Catholic churches were becoming wealthy. He felt ministers should be humble, lowly, pious, and not subject to form and veneration. Now we will talk about his Bible translation. After Wycliffe translated the Bible into English, each copy took 10 months to write by hand. This translation was banned and burned as quickly as church officials could get their hands on them. In 1382, he completed as translation directly from the Vulgate into Middle English, a version now known as Wycliffe's Bible. He translated Latin Bible, printed during 1382 to 1395. Wycliffe felt peasant and common people should be able to read the Bible for themselves rather than have the Catholic Church force its interpretation of the Bible on them. According to the Wycliffe's Bible Translator Organization, Wycliffe's Bible was the first complete European translation done in 1000 years. The clarity and beauty of Wycliffe's Bible translation impacted the development of the English language for 100 years. John Wycliffe suffered a stroke in 1382 that left him paralyzed, and a second stroke in 1384, and he died. Now we will talk about his followers, the Lollards. Lollards, it is a term which used by opposers. Lollards were working for the Reformation in 14th to 15th century. Lollards were called as heretic. Heretic means non-believer. They are not considered good in the eyes of churches. John Wycliffe and his followers wanted to reform Catholic churches and customs. His followers, the Lollards, like Wycliffe, were an anti-clerical group who were committed to opposing the Catholic churches. In 1399, the Lollard Bible was banned and many of the preachers were thrown in prison, including Wycliffe's friend Nicholas Hereford and John Purvey. I hope this video was informative. With this, I end this video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and share with other literature aspirants. Stay tuned with my English literature with Iram. See you soon with my another video.